The following video was a request by Sapphire Sumo 6615. I'll be doing the Stream 2006's request next, so stay tuned.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 12:03 a.m., many unidentified objects were located in the sky. These objects were detected by the National Radio Astronomy Observatory in San Augustine, New Mexico. The intentions of these aircraft are unknown. However, residents of the United States should stay tuned to TV stations or stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of North American Aerospace Defense Command. At 12:03 a.m., many unknown objects were detected hovering in the atmosphere. These objects were detected on behalf of the National Radio Astronomy Observatory in San Augustine, New Mexico. Beginning at 2:46 a.m., multiple aircraft were seen in many states. The following states have reported suspicious aircraft: California, New York, Illinois, Ohio, Michigan, New Jersey, Washington, Arizona, Tennessee, Maryland, Minnesota, Alabama, Louisiana, Oregon, Connecticut, Mississippi, Utah, Nevada, Nebraska, Idaho, Maine, and Rhode Island. Residents in these states should seek shelter, as it is not known what the intentions of these aircraft are, but they have been confirmed to be descending out of space, using what are now designated as wormholes. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 12:03 a.m., numerous unidentified aircraft were detected in skies across the United States. These aircraft were detected by the National Radio Astronomy Observatory in San Augustine, New Mexico. These aircraft are now confirmed to be hostile. At 3:30 a.m., uncountable reports of attacks from these unidentified aircraft were received from many other states across the United States. New states reporting these aircraft are as follows: Texas, Florida, Pennsylvania, Georgia, North Carolina, Virginia, Massachusetts, Indiana, Missouri, Wisconsin, Colorado, South Carolina, Kentucky, Oklahoma, Iowa, Arkansas, Kansas, New Mexico, West Virginia, Hawaii, New Hampshire, and Montana. Residents in these states must seek shelter now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Also, there have been EMP, or electromagnetic pulse attacks in some states. Reports of these attacks have been received from these states: Delaware, South Dakota, Alaska, North Dakota, Vermont, and Wyoming. The United States, along with the mass majority of the world, is being invaded. In addition, it is believed that these aircraft contain unknown entities. These entities are rumored to have been responsible for the deaths of 5 million people. All encounters with these entities have proven to be fatal, and in some cases, even deadly. The President is expected to speak on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems will transmit this message. This station has interrupted programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WPVI. We will continue to serve the Philadelphia area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Philadelphia area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.